Guys, it's me Panya. So today I'm gonna make a sound like, a cat. I I stay along with cat so I can know the sound of cat clearly. Different from the bird. I don't stay, long with bird. Yes. Bye guys. Love you guys. See you guys again in the video.